Hi, I'm Brian, one of the product geniuses at BMW of Gwinnett Place in Duluth, Georgia. Whether you're getting ready to take a road trip that'll take you across time zones, or if you're preparing for the inevitable change from daylight saving time to standard time or vice versa, BMW makes it easy to make sure your time and date are accurate. One of the easiest ways to make most changes in your BMW is to use a voice command. You can interact with the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant by either pressing this voice command button here or saying the wake word. Hey BMW, date and time.
Date and time.
From here, simply choose automatic time setting.
It's easy with iDrive 8.
To select date and time without using voice commands, simply select the apps icon on the top left of the control display. You can use touch or the iDrive controller. You may find it easier to filter by vehicle apps. Then scroll through until you get to system settings, select date and time, and then select automatic time setting. You're all set.
Start by selecting the car icon from the main screen if you have iDrive 7, which is equipped on most model year 2019 through 2023 BMWs.
Most model year 2018 and earlier BMWs are equipped with iDrive 6, which has a different layout, but you follow the same steps. Most 2017 model year and earlier BMWs are equipped with the iDrive 5 operating system. Again, you'll use a similar path to choose automatic time setting. Even earlier model years use iDrive 4. In this case, I'm sitting in a 2015 model year BMW. If your older model BMW is not equipped with automatic time setting, simply follow the same path in the menu to change the time and date manually.